Sophistication is in our products, processes, and workforce. A 28-person startup in 2001, Hikvision today is 20,000 strong. We're the #1 video surveillance provider in the world. Proudly made in China, Hikvision produces over 260,000 cameras and 36,000 back-end products on average each day. The industry's largest R&D team is part of a global ensemble of dedicated professionals who work in harmony to bring the most advanced solutions to our partners. Our cybersecurity best practices are backed up by our ISO IEC 27001 certification. Network and Information Security Lab. The Hikvision Security Response Center. Hikvision Security Center. In-house and third-party cybersecurity experts. And penetration testing team. Our partners can be confident that they have a partner for success. From the Great Wall of China to the world's most prominent companies, to safe cities and local elementary schools, security is found in Hikvision's technological strength. Hikvision delivers and interprets data to increase business efficiencies and profits. Future technology, robotics, artificial intelligence, and deep learning. It's happening now at Hikvision. Our success is born from your security.